The Delhi High Court has ruled that the right to hold a passport and to travel abroad is an integral part of personal liberty guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. The court said that if authorities take any action that interferes with this right, such action must be reasonable and in accordance with the principles of justice. The ruling was delivered by Justice Purushaindra Kumar, who set aside the centre's decision to take custody of the passport of Yogesh Raheja, the former director of Raheja Developers. The authorities had seized Raheja's passport on January 17, 2025, citing his alleged failure to disclose the transaction account number of an FIR registered against him while applying for passport renewal. His appeal against the impounding order was later rejected by the review authority on March 25, 2025. During the hearing, the petitioner's counsel referred to a 2019 office memorandum issued by the Ministry of External Affairs, which states that the only registration of an FIR does not amount of the pendency of criminal proceedings for the purpose of issuing or renewing a passport unless a court has taken notice of the offence. The court observed that Raheja had applied for renewal of his passport in October 2024, whereas cognizance in the case was taken only in February 2025, nearly a month after the passport had already been impounded. In view of this, the High Court held that the reasons given by the authorities for impounding the passport were not legally sustainable. It is evident that the decision passed by the respondents cannot be sustained, the court said, while allowing the petition and restoring the petitioner's right to hold his passport.